A very good afternoon. Thank you all of us for being here today with us for this event. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Gaurav and I take care of quality and operations at Apollo Hospitals. On behalf of Apollo Hospitals, I would like to welcome all of you to this press conference to announce the International Health Dialogue that's going to be hosted by Apollo Hospitals Group right here in Hyderabad. The International Health Dialogue consists of two conferences, International Patient Safety Conference and Transforming Healthcare with Information Technology Conference. Both the conferences will be held on 13th and 14th of September at Hyderabad International Convention Center. The conferences will witness presence of over 200 national and international speakers, healthcare luminaries, information technology stalwarts, public policy makers and government officials to share their experiences and expertise about how to make healthcare safer and better. I'm very pleased to introduce the speakers on the dais, to invite the speakers to the dais this afternoon, Dr. Sangeeta Reddy, Joint Managing Director, Apollo Hospitals, Dr. Hari Prasad, Group President, Apollo Hospitals, and Mr. Arvind Shivaram-Krishnan, Chief Information Officer, Apollo Hospitals. With that, I would like to invite Mr. Arvind to speak a few words about Transforming Healthcare with IT conference.
Thank you, Gaurav. Namaste, everybody. We are very pleased to have all of you with us to invite you for the curtain raiser for the International Patient Health Dialogue. Regarding the 9th International Conference on Transforming Healthcare with IT, which is part of the twin conferences and the Patient Dialogue. This is the 9th version of the conference that we are conducting, and we are going to have close to 40 speakers from about 12 countries joining us. The conference is going to be talking about how we can connect the IT of today to the IT of tomorrow in terms of how the digital experience can actually lead to effective adoption and effective implementation. So we're talking about effective implementation and effective adoption, really revolutionizing healthcare and the delivery of healthcare. We will have a wonderful session on artificial intelligence in healthcare, in which we will be talking about radiology imaging and how machine learning in radiology imaging can help with better outcomes and better quality of diagnosis. We will be talking about how a cardiovascular artificial intelligence algorithm can improve better treatment on cardiac sciences. This is going to be done by our partners with Microsoft. We will have Anil Bansali, the Corporate Vice President of Microsoft, joining us for the AI in Healthcare session. Our session on healthcare and innovations in India is going to be talking about how we've got effective healthcare deployment and innovations that have been done successfully in India and deployed in large scale. We have with us a delegation from the College of Health Executives from the United States who will be talking to us about how leadership in managing healthcare can be effectively built. On the 12th of September, which will be digital officers, chief operating officers, and chief execution officers of healthcare institutions on how effectively they can manage digital disruption, how effectively they can manage management. Our session is going to be also in terms of learning on designing for health ecosystems, because using an effective workflow for the convenience of clinicians is key, and we have a chief technology officer of DXC Technologies, a global information technology solutions organization, talking to us. Femi Ladega will join us from the United Kingdom. We'll have with us experience from Mongolia and experience from Myanmar also. We have the chairman of the hospital, Dr. Wang, joining us from South Korea. We have a wonderful in terms of healthcare in India, procedures, effectively healthcare is delivered in India. We have none other Dr. Inu Bhushan, of healthcare in India. We will have with us Shri Satyanarayana, who's going to be talking to us about the National Health Stack Blueprint. And we have with us the Chief Innovation Officer from the Ministry of Health and Ministry of Human Resources, talking to us about how innovation and change management and how disruption can be handled effectively through innovative solutions. We have with us the Consul Generals from United Kingdom and the Consul General from Holland joining us on how Holland and United Kingdom are effectively looking at partnering with us. We have Professor William Emike from the Columbia University, who will be talking to us about thought leadership and leading change in the digital disruption. We have Dr. Mark Britnell from KPMG, who's going to be talking to us about innovations and how AI can be handled effectively. Bruce Broussard, the chairman of Humana, one of the largest payer organizations in the United States, is going to be joining us, talking to us about dealing with innovations, deployment and change in ecosystems. And then we have with us 10 startup organizations who've been filtered and curated from a group of about 48 startup nominations that we received. And they will be talking to us about made in India healthcare innovations that can be effectively deployed, not just from an innovation and efficiency standpoint, but also from a cost perspective. So all of this is going to come together. We are happy to share that the Telangana State Medical Council has also accredited the whole conference with 6 CME points for doctors. So we are looking at, when we talk about the International Health Dialogue, we're talking about clinicians and technology professionals coming together so that a meaningful solution can be obtained to deliver healthcare. It's not just merely a thought leadership, but it's also going to be a session where we are talking about effective management, managing change, and how we can connect today to tomorrow, how we can look at effective deployment. So that's going to be 3 days of conference. The first day being a master class for digital leadership, the second and third day being conference days, and we have exhibitors from 47 different organizations who are going to be showcasing their products on health information technology and how they see healthcare partnering with the Indian ecosystem. So all in all, 3 days, close to about, we are expecting 500 to 600 delegates for the technology part of the health dialogue, and we are looking at close to about 40 plus speakers from 12 countries. It's going to be a very interesting session, not only interesting but very informative, definitely entertaining, because we're having the best of minds join us. So thank you all of you for helping bring this to all healthcare enthusiasts, and we are looking forward